In this video, I will provide a short overview of the homepage for Forms for Confluence. To access the homepage, use the drop-down menu at the top and select the Forms for Confluence application. Starting at the top, you have a Help and Resources section, which you can expand for more information. Make sure to keep an eye on this, as it's regularly updated. Moving down, there is a search bar that allows you to quickly filter forms, which is particularly useful if you have lots of forms in here. Below that, you will find the main forms table, which displays all your forms from different spaces within Confluence. The forms in this table appear if you are the author or have been added as a collaborator by someone else. Clicking on a form name or response count will take you to the captured data of that particular form. The next column is the form description, followed by the response count, which tracks the number of responses. The location column is a hyperlink that takes you directly to the page where the form exists. The link below indicates the space where the form is located. The author column displays the person who created the form, and the collaborators column shows others who have access to the data from the homepage. The action button over here provides several options, including form configuration to make changes to the form description or add collaborators. Edit form, which will take you straight through to the page in edit mode. Export, allowing you to export form response data in various formats, including CSV, XML, and JSON. And finally, the option to archive the form. Lastly, there's a Create New Form button that opens the form configuration, allowing you to create a new form.